Whether you're drinking in the view from the front patio, master bedroom, home office, or formal dining room, you really are going to feel as though you're living on top of the world. 16 Waterford Drive in Belchertown features beautiful panoramic views that extend over the picturesque valley below. This custom-built, almost 3,000 square foot home is perched on close to an acre of land surrounded with natural privacy. And let me tell you, the interior is just as incredible, boasting a simple and welcoming floor plan that makes a statement with its floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace and large glass windows that help maintain this home's focus.
The view!
And don't let this home fool you. It may be 2 stories, but all your living can be done on 1 floor. The first floor features a chef's kitchen with working island, generous cabinets and counter space, pantry, and wet bar that will make entertaining a breeze. Cozy sunroom with casement windows dressed in knotty pine give this space an open and sunny feel. The master bedroom with ensuite bath has its own private entrance to the back deck. Formal dining room, home office, 1/2 bath, and laundry room complete the main level. Upstairs you'll find the second full bath with radiant heat and 3 large bedrooms that will allow you to enjoy stunning views of the valley before you drift off to sleep. So make your appointment today and come and enjoy the view. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly.
And I'm her husband Tom.
And we're
your real estate professionals.
And until next time, happy house hunting.